Hello everyone, I am back today for the tutorial on the cost estimation of Azure services. Welcome to my channel TechQuest Learning Point. How are you guys? In my previous tutorial in this series of Azure Fundamental, I already discussed on the topic of cost management in Azure. Today I am going to start an exercise on the estimate workloads cost by using pricing calculator. In my previous tutorial, I have already discussed about the pricing calculator. You will learn how Azure services cost is incurred. The ultimate target of this tutorial is to make you prepare for the exam AZ900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. If anyone want to be the Microsoft certified Azure Fundamentals, this tutorial will be right choice for them to make clear the exam AZ900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. This tutorial is derived from the Microsoft Learning Paths for Azure Fundamentals exam, so anyone can rely on this tutorial to take the preparation for the exam AZ900 Azure Fundamentals. In this tutorial, I will show that how to estimate the workloads costs by using the pricing calculator. Let us consider a basic web application on Azure. Now we want to host this web application into Azure Cloud Computing Platform. For this web application, we need a sense of what Azure services we need. In order to migrate this web application to Azure, we need the followings: Azure Virtual Machines instances, Azure Application Gateway for load balancing, Azure SQL database to hold inventory and pricing information. Let's start. Go to azure.microsoft.com, click on pricing and then pricing calculator in the menu item. Look into the products tab. Products. This is where you choose the Azure services that you want to include in your estimate. You will likely spend most of your time here. Example scenarios. Here you will find several reference architectures or common cloud-based solution that you can use as a starting point. Saved estimates. Here you will find your previously saved estimates. FAQ. Here you will discover answers to frequently asked questions about the pricing calculator. In the left side, popular services categories are available. We can also search it by using search products text box. Click on compute. Compute resources will be available in the right side. Click on virtual machines and it will be added. Click on networking, then select application gateway. Application gateway will be added. In this way, next click on databases and then click on Azure SQL database. Azure SQL database will be added. After adding all resources, scroll down and look into the table. We can also remove any resource from this table. Now, in order to match our requirement, we configure all the resources as per this table. Virtual machines. Select region West US. Operating system Windows, type OS only. Tier standard instance B2D3, virtual machines 2 and 730 hours. Next, we configure Azure SQL database as part this table. Click on Azure SQL database to expand it. Select region West US. Type single database purchase model vCore. Next, Application Gateway. Click on Application Gateway to expand it. Select region West US. Tier Web Application Firewall. Size medium. Instance 2 and 730 hours for total gateway hours. Select data processed 1 TB. Outbound data transfer 5 GB. For support type, we can select anyone among included developer, standard and professional direct. Depending on the selection of supporting type, cost estimate will vary. We can save or export to Excel or share the cost estimation by this button. Or save it, you have to log in. Here I export the cost estimate into Excel file. After opening the Excel file from local drive, it looks like as. In this way we can create the cost estimate of Azure services. In my next video, I will show that how to compare the workload cost by using total cost of ownership TCO calculator. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you all have been able to take the idea about the cost estimate Azure cloud computing. If you think this tutorial is helpful for learning the Azure, please click on the like button and request you all to share it more and more to the persons who are searching the tutorial like this. If you have any questions on this tutorial, opinions and queries about this channel, please type this in the comment box. You also mail to me. In the description box, email ID is given for you. Kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell button so that you can get notification when new tutorial is published.